baby oil to thicker than peanut butter, and it can change that drastically 1,000 times a second. So it's constantly adjusting and reacting to give you and your passengers that really smooth ride you've come to expect from us here at Cadillac. And I don't have my key fob, but if I did, I could activate the lights. We do have illuminated door handles in the CTS. It's a nice added touch, almost like a little piece of jewelry that you can get on this vehicle. We have that on the ATS and the XTS available as well. Okay, once you get inside, you'll have premium hand-cut and sewn materials accented by French stitching. Now, what I have on the turntable here, this is the Kona brown and jet black leather environment. This is a semi-aniline leather, very supple and soft. There are actually 8 distinctive interior environments for you to choose from on the CTS. 6 of those are two-tone colors, so they're bringing out some really beautiful leather. We have a twilight blue available or a morello red. There's actually a whole wall back here where you can see the color options. 3 different trims. What you'll see on this one here is the authentic wood. You can see it, this is the same one I have here. But you can change the authentic wood layout. Really nice, it doesn't have a gloss over it, so it's real true wood. But you can also have a carbon fiber. See how it's switched over? You can do a carbon fiber, that's a true carbon fiber, or you can do an aluminum trim as well. All right, in the center console here we have Q. Q is an 8-inch color touchscreen, and it's the home to your navigation, media, audio, contacts, real-time weather, real-time traffic. Even Pandora, you can stream Pandora wirelessly through your smartphone. You can pair up to 10 different Bluetooth devices to this system. And that's a capacitive touch screen. So you can pinch, flick, swipe, zoom, and tap. All of those gestures we're doing on smartphones and tablets you can do on Q. But the added bonus in industry first, it has natural voice recognition. Cadillac actually partnered with a company out of California called Nuance. And Nuance are the people who created Siri, the little lady that lives inside the iPhone. That natural voice bank technology. So no more learning how to speak to your car, those awkward voice commands. You can be yourself, hands on the wheel, eyes on the road.